Nakalala ko. Go! Wow! Ayun sa lalim eh. Okay mga ka-vibes, so nandito tayo ngayon sa MOA. Aglalakad siya sa MOA. Ayun, listen natin. At least ano kayang may dakit? Wala pala. Okay. Ayan, so ito na tayo sa McDonald's. Okay. So yan, nakapila. Kapit up sa McDonald's. Dami nila. Yeah, ito pala mga kapatid ni Isis. Ayan, si Chichi. Tapos,
Hi!
sino ba
Hi guys! Welcome to your vlog!
Hello guys, welcome to my hello vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Wala man, ayaw man. Anong gusto niyo?
Ate.
Ako pala nakakuha.
Okay, alright. We are here. So, itry natin kung masarap ba yung KFC dito. So, saan masarap? KFC or Jollibee? Siyempre Jollibee.
Pa rin yung Jollibee.
Natanong ko yung isa, sabi ano masarap, KFC o Jollibee? Siyempre Jollibee.
Siyempre, taga-Jollibee siya.
Yan ang sa quarter.
Nahihirap na, mawala na sa
Few moments later, it's done. Yeah, it's done. So what's the first thing?
Jollibee is a specialty.
Enjoy muna kayo, or muna? Paskong handog dito sa MOA. Hello! Diba? Thank you. Ayan, dito sa MOA. Saan sila? Yeah, I got a new subscriber. Okay. May nakita ko kanina sa Goldilocks eh. Pwede tayong kukuha ng that's your MOA. That's very good. So it's a MOA 360 lit. Oh, that's very good. Ayan, mga pinsan ni Josh. We need to, maybe, try to talk to them. Talk to them.
Like 1,000 pesos, like I think it might be in the.
Ay, lang naman ako. Para alien.
I think it might be second floor or something. Because I went here.
We go together. Why? Yes, yes, yes.
Ayan. Wala.
Yeah.
Tapos kakain ulit. Kakain ulit. Ayan. Maganda. Oh, wow. Ayan. That's good.
Mataas pa niyan eh.
Atas yun eh.
Sila.
Nasa taas yun, nasa taas. Yan palang globe ng MOA. Iconic. Iconic yan. Yan po sa labas. Yeah, outside the building. You can see the globe. You see the blue one. That's it. Yeah, we're going to time zone. Yeah, alam ko nandito yun. So ano nang nilaro niyo so far? That's a music stage there. Sino kayo mananalo? Come on, come on!
Go, let's go.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Yes! Okay! Oh! Alright! Yeah. All of you will beat. You got a souvenir picture.
Can I join
Go, 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 go,
Classic one.
Dalawa lang. Okay.
Let's go! Done!
Ay, ba't tinakpa mo yung mukha mo?
That's for Joshua. To remember.
Ay na.
2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Small. Retake the photo or press next to start taking your photo.
Lagi happy.
Next. Wala din yan.
1,000.
Dapat pinitigil yan dito.
25!
Ayoko na.
Okay. 400 ticket.
Let's mag-ticket. Give them that to play. Okay, after another one. What do you, ano gusto mo laruin?
Let's make.
Oh, yeah, collect yung pa.
basketball already.
Fresh no? Thank you. Really, it's easier you do this.
Is it?
Want to play again?
Okay.
Ready to go?
Alright.
You get
500.
100. Ano bago? Oh!
126.
Asa na pa tapos ni?
I think we're good.
Careful.
Okay. Okay. Do the flagging now. Okay, I knew the.
Yeah, Mall of Asia, level 3. Got big food courts, and on that side you got ice skating rink and your laser tag arena.
Okay.
And see, it's very good because we had our dinner in KFC, but it's
Okay.
very crowded. Look how much space there is over there. And we
Okay.
got our laser tag, our archery. Very good in level 3 Malaysia. South Wing.
We're going downstairs.
Go downstairs.
Contestant number 2. And contestant number 4. Oh, okay. Oy, talikod naman. Ayan. Ayan naman. Ayan. Oh. Ayan.
Me again.
Yep, to MOA Sorbetes. MOA Sorbetes. Okay. Lagi ni Santa. Oo.
So cute! So big, huh?
Yeah, look at that. Too big. So that's the yeah. So that's it. Actually, that's it. And that's the yeah. It's gone. Yeah. So we are here. I go to left so you can see the outlets. We are looking for we lost.
No, he's lost. I know the way.
Gosh. Abi ko kasagad eh. Amo na nila kape.
So isang ganyan. Sarap. puti na yun.
Oh, egg pie. Nasa na egg pie pa ba?
Ha?
Gusto ko ng egg pie.
Please ask for assistance.
Okay natin.
Kuha tayo na lang isang...
Ito lang yung classic roll. Parang overload naman yan. Para lang yung classic roll.
Okay.
Gusto ko yung mag-egg pie.
Okay. Mag-dessert. Mag-dessert ng Noodle Deluxe. Pagkatapos kumain, so we stroll for an hour. We eat. Yeah. Noodle Deluxe. Ano kami yung drinks? That's how you bake it. Yeah, that's how in Noodle Deluxe, life is how you bake it.
Ala ka, very good kaya yes. Kami hindi. Pili kami sa tamis.
Ayan, kasi sabi niya wala daw gulaman. Tapos ngayon, naggulaman. Ayun, sa akin na hindi malamig. Sa akin na hindi malamig. Thank you, thank you.
Ay, ano kayo nabigyan dalawa at sa atin. Ang ano ito sa inyo?
Mas sweet daw pag isa lang eh.
Kutsara na.
Nahiya pa siya. Nahiya na siya.
Oo, ate nito, no?
Isang tinidor lang din.
Ano, ayaw ko na kaya. Kumain na kayo.
Konti lang, yung parang kalahati lang.
Kumain
Okay na
ko.
yun.
Kali namin sa pinggan.
Tatlo na kami.
Bilang kita.
Konti lang, isa lang. Isa. Kulang. Tama pala. Okay, again. Okay, go. Yeah. Yes, and then...
Ang sarap.
Sige nga, try mo.
Sa Goldilocks masarap.
Okay.
Wala kasi Goldilocks sa amin. Kaya na-miss ko.
Go.
Susuba ka. Tapos mas na. Baka ma-miss ko.
Okay. Tapos?
Tapos?
Kain. Yung nam-nam mo, tapos...
Ano sabi mo?
Anong honest review?
Ano?
Masarap.
Over 10.
Anong flavor?
Dark choco? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Goldilocks, baka naman. Goldilocks.
Ito pa may pagay.
Baka naman Goldilocks, oh.
Ano? Sabi. Tamis.
Ang lambot. Life is you bake it.
One slice is enough.
Ate, puyat. Alas ko natutulog lagi.
Ate ko,
Wow.
ano yung sasabi mo? Action! Ano yung sabi mo? Okay, action. Okay, balik.
Ulit na ulit.
Okay, cut.
Take two. Pwede na.
Sexy.
Pwede na sa tawag ng... Pwede na sa tawag ng tangha.
Okay, ready.
Okay.
Ay, safe na ako. Tapos na ako. Parang kayo na. Ayun na.
Okay, go. Ano gawin mo?
Maybe Goldilocks.
Ayun, sobrang kayo na.
Okay. Action!
Kaderas.
Napaalala ko. Go! Anong sasabi mo?
Yan.
Ito na. Action!
Wala kang gagawin kundi umupo, mag-relax, magubad ng sapatos, at kumuha ng tinidor.
Talaga.
At tikman ng Goldilocks. Goldilocks, baka naman.
Okay, ready? Go. Go. Slowly, not too rush. You're finishing it, okay? And then what did you say?
You can never feel full at Goldilocks.
Okay, okay, go.
Hindi na?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Don't forget
To
like, share, and subscribe. Keep here.
Alright mga kabahins.
Don't forget
to
like, share, and subscribe. Keep here.
do it.
The night seems too frank, but the moon